Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Talk. I'm your host, James, and I'm really glad you're listening today.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma, your co-host. If you understand English but struggle to speak it smoothly, this episode is made especially for you.
Yes, today we're talking about a problem millions of English learners face. You listen well, you understand well, but when it's time to speak, everything freezes.
Exactly. Your mind knows the answer, but your mouth feels slow, heavy, or confused, and suddenly confidence disappears.
Many learners say, I know English, but I can't speak fast. If that sounds like you, don't worry, you're not alone.
And, more importantly, there's nothing wrong with you. This problem doesn't mean you're bad at English. It simply means your English system is not trained the right way yet.
In today's episode, we'll explain why this happens and how you can fix it step by step, without pressure, without fear.
We'll help you train two things, your mind and your mouth, because speaking English is not just knowledge, it's a skill.
Let's start with the real issue. Why does English feel easy in your head but hard when you speak?
The biggest reason is mental translation. Your brain hears English, changes it into your native language, then tries to change it back into English.
And that process takes time. While your brain is translating, your mouth is waiting.
That waiting creates hesitation. Hesitation creates fear, and fear blocks fluency.
For example, someone asks you a simple question like, "Where are you going?" You understand it instantly.
But before speaking, your brain starts working too hard. You think about grammar, you think about mistakes, you think about how you sound.
And by the time you're ready to speak, the moment has already passed.
This is why many learners stay quiet, even when they know the answer.
But here's the good news. This problem is completely fixable.
Yes, you don't need perfect grammar, you don't need advanced vocabulary, you need proper training.
In the next part, we'll show you how to train your mind to stop translating and start thinking directly in English.
So relax, stay with us, and remember, fluency starts with understanding the problem.
Welcome back. Now that we understand the problem, it's time to fix it. Let's talk about how to train your mind to think in English.
Yes, because the mind is the control center. If your mind is slow, your speaking will always feel slow.
Most learners think their problem is vocabulary or grammar, but actually the real problem is thinking in the wrong language first.
Exactly. Your brain is used to your native language, so when you hear English, it automatically switches back.
And this switching feels normal, but it kills fluency.
So the goal is not to stop thinking. The goal is to think simple thoughts in English.
Important point here, you don't need long or perfect sentences in your mind.
Yes, fluency starts with short, clear English thoughts.
For example, instead of thinking, yesterday I went to the market and then I was very tired,
You can think, yesterday, market, tired, home.
simple doesn't mean wrong. Simple means fast.
And fast thinking leads to fast speaking.
Another powerful habit is English self-talk.
This means talking to yourself in English during daily life.
When you wake up, say, I'm awake, new day.
When you're working, say, I'm busy, I need focus.
When you're tired, say, I'm tired, I need rest.
No translation, no grammar checking, just clear, simple English.
At first, it may feel strange.
That's normal. Your brain is learning a new habit.
Think of it like a shortcut. The more you use English directly, the faster your brain reacts.
And slowly, something amazing happens. Your brain stops asking, how do I say this? Instead, English words appear automatically.
This is when confidence starts to grow.
Remember, don't wait to be ready. Thinking in English is the practice.
Even broken English thinking is better than perfect translation.
In the next part, we'll move from the mind to the mouth.
Because knowing English is one thing, but speaking it requires physical training.
Stay with us. Your English journey is getting stronger step by step.
And remember, fluency starts in the mind, but it lives in the mouth. Welcome back. So far, we've trained the mind. Now it's time to talk about something many learners forget, the mouth.
Yes, and this part is very important because English is not only a mental skill, it's also a physical skill.
Many learners can understand English very well. They can read and listen without problems.
But when they try to speak, it feels uncomfortable. The words don't come out smoothly.
This happens because listening and reading are quiet skills.
Speaking is different. Speaking needs movement.
Your tongue, lips, and jaw must learn new positions.
And if you don't use them in English, they stay weak.
Think about it like this. If you never exercise your body, it feels heavy.
The same thing happens with your mouth. No speaking means no strength.
This is why many learners feel tired after speaking English for just 1 minute.
It's not because English is hard, it's because the muscles are not trained yet.
Another mistake learners make is silent practice.
Yes, reading in your head is helpful, but it's not enough.
Your mouth must hear itself speaking English.
When you speak out loud, your brain and mouth start working together.
This builds rhythm, clarity, and confidence.
And here's something important. You don't need a listener to practice.
You can speak when you're alone.
In your room, in the kitchen, or while walking.
Say easy sentences. Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes during practice are not failures. They are training signals.
Every sound you make teaches your mouth something new.
Slow speaking is good speaking.
Fast comes later.
So remember this rule. English is not something you only know.
It's something you do.
In the next part, we'll show you simple mouth warm-up exercises.
These exercises take only 5 minutes, but they can completely change how speaking feels.
All right, now it's time to get practical. If your mouth is a muscle, it needs daily warm-ups.
Yes, just like athletes warm up before a game, English learners must warm up before speaking.
These exercises are simple. You don't need special tools or a partner.
You only need your voice and 5 focused minutes.
Let's start with basic mouth activation.
Open your mouth gently and make clear vowel sounds.
Say them slowly. Ah, E, O, oo.
Feel how your mouth moves. Don't rush.
This wakes up your tongue and lips.
Next, move to easy word chains.
For example, good, better, best.
Say each word clearly, then repeat the full chain.
Another good practice is similar sound words.
Like speak, speaking, speaker.
These words train control and clarity.
After words, move to short sentences.
For example, I am learning English.
Say it slowly first.
Then say it again more naturally.
Repeat each sentence 2 or 3 times.
Repetition builds muscle memory.
Another powerful habit is reading out loud.
Read a short paragraph, a message, or even a headline.
The content doesn't matter.
The action matters.
When you read out loud, your mouth learns flow and rhythm.
And here's a key rule. Don't stop to fix every mistake.
Fluency grows from movement, not from correction.
5 minutes of speaking out loud every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Consistency beats intensity.
If you feel shy, remember, no one is listening.
This is training time, not performance time.
Your goal is not perfect English.
Your goal is a comfortable mouth.
In the next part, we'll combine mind and mouth with real-life sentences you can use daily, because real speaking starts with real language.
Now that your mouth is active, it's time to use English the way people actually speak.
Yes, real English is not long or complicated. It's short, clear, and useful.
Many learners wait until they can form perfect sentences.
But real conversations don't work like that.
People start small.
And small sentences slowly grow into full conversations.
Let's start with very simple daily sentences.
For example, I'm at home.
Say it out loud.
Now add one idea. I'm at home today.
Then add another idea. I'm at home today, resting.
This is called sentence expansion.
You don't memorize long sentences.
You build them step by step.
Let's try another example.
Start with, I'm working.
Now expand it. I'm working on my skills.
And one more step. I'm working on my English skills.
This trains your brain to create language naturally.
No translation, no stress.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after me. I'm learning English every day.
Good. Now say it again with confidence.
I'm learning English every day.
Perfect.
Now change one word.
I'm learning new words every day.
Great. This simple change strengthens flexibility.
Another tip is practice useful survival sentences.
Like, I don't understand.
Can you repeat that?
Please speak slowly.
These sentences reduce fear in real conversations.
When fear goes down, fluency goes up.
Remember, conversations are built from short pieces.
Short sentences today become long conversations tomorrow.
In the next part, we'll introduce a powerful method that connects listening and speaking together.
Yes, this method connects your ears, brain, and mouth at the same time.
This method is called shadow speaking.
Shadow speaking means listening and speaking together.
You hear a short English sentence.
You speak it at the same time, not after.
You don't pause.
You don't translate.
You simply follow the speaker like a shadow.
That's why this method is so powerful.
At first, it may feel difficult.
Your mouth may feel late.
Your brain may feel confused.
And that's a good sign.
It means real training is happening.
To start, choose very short content.
One sentence is enough.
A podcast